Robot Smoke.
Wheel again?
I got armor last year.
Are you tired of the same old robot parts?
I want a real part of the action.
Introducing HyperShock Robot Smoke. Carefully formulated in a proprietary robot smoke research facility, HyperShock's Robot Smoke is the real McCoy. You can rest assured that this genuine, non-GMO, farm-to-table, sulfate-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan-free, carcinogenic, hallucinogenic, estrogenic, zero-calorie product is guaranteed to be made from free-range, full-grown robots. Don't take our word for it. Listen to what real BattleBots competitor Will Bales has to say.
Hi there, sport. My name's Will Bales, former driver of the robot HyperShock on the hit TV series BattleBots. HyperShock's Robot Smoke brings me back to the glory days, right in the thick of the action. Nothing's more magic than HyperShock's Robot Smoke.
HyperShock Robot Smoke. Buy now and get your free gift. $49.99 plus shipping and handling.
It's just like being there.
Robot Smoke.